Hello friends, welcome back. This is Emmanuel Mendu. In this video, we will see how to test a BootStrap website in a localhost. While you are working in development, like you want to see how your developing version looks in your in other devices, how it is rendering and how the styles are rendering and how it is showing. So in this video I will show you the with few examples, like I gathered a couple of online websites and also your Mozilla browser. I like this Mozilla browser a lot, and I use this in my everywhere whenever I'm working on the Bootstrap applications. So let me go to our demo project. Like I previously explained couple of Bootstrap basic stuff. So I will take this tables example, and for this table, what I will do, I will add a couple of styles. So the look and feel will be nice. So I'll add class active to one row and success to one row and warning class and danger class. So if you run and see this one, like you will be seeing a different class. So I will remove this column so it will be neat and tidy. Okay, if you come just refresh it, and you will see this colorful table. So what I will do, I will copy this URL and go to my Mozilla, and if you if you see here in your menu, there will be web developer option, and there is also a responsive design mode. You can use a shortcut like Control Shift M, so it will automatically load your responsive testing mode. So once if you just copy your localhost URL and click OK, so this is automatically rendered. So this is the way how it looks in your 320 and by a 480 device. You can change your width here and click OK. So it will automatically show you, or you have already predefined mobile list and iPads and laptop. If you this is the laptop view, and if you want to see iPad view or iPhone 6s view or your Nokia Lumia 520. So this is the way how you can test, or if you just tilt your mobile like this with this, and you can test that way, or you can drag your complete website. You can see like how it looks, and you can modify um, your website HTML code with your with the given width and this height here. So that way you can use this Mozilla browser to test your responsive mode, and also as I explained you, there is also some Furious websites here. Well, I'll copy one. Okay, so this is the responsinator.com. So if you go and copy your our localhost uh, and paste it over here and click OK, so it will automatically render to a couple of web devices here. iPhone expensive portrait saying that way, and iPhone it's a landscape. The width is 734, this width is 375 pixels, and if you scroll down you can see Android Pixel 2, Pixel 2 in landscape, iPhone 6 to 8 portrait, 6 to 8 landscape, iPhone, iPad. So this is the way how this will show. If you if your big website is big, you will see a scroller here like this, and you can test that way. Like if you want to um, if you want to navigate in particular this view, you can use this website easily. This is the one way. And one more responsive website, like responsive vdesign.is. So if you can see here, and you can also scroll this like this. So this one, like if you want to click click the pages also, you can use this. So you can zoom the page, and you can access the more way. So for now, what I will do, I will just show you in 100 percentage, and let me copy the localhost URL and paste it in the bottom pass and click go, and then this will show you the responsive. Let me click go. I need to click enter. Somehow this is not working now. I apologize for this. So I'll go to the next URL and just paste it here, and here let's queue our local host. So here you can have a different way of checking your responsive. And these are the few websites. You can see couple of them online, like uh, online for other websites which will show like our your bootstrap um, responsive testing, like if you want to test them, like use them. um, so you can try a couple of other things also. Just that's what I want to show in this video. Thank you for watching my videos, guys. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos. um, Thank you. Bye bye.